Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about VDRs for startups. Virtual data rooms VDRs have become an indispensable tools for business of all sizes. When it comes to secure document storage, sharing and collaboration, however, for startup VDRs play a particularly circular role in streamlining operations, securing funding, and ensuring compliance with regulations. To effectively support the mouse in unique need to startup companies, VDR providers should offer tailored solution and address key challenges faced by this engaging business. Number one, secure fundraising and due diligence. Startups often engage in fundraising activities such as pitching to venture capitalists or seeking angel investor. During this process, they need to share sensitive financial data, business plan, and intellectual property. VDRs can help startups securely store and share these documents with potential investors, ensuring that sensitive information is protected throughout the due diligence process. Tailoring tip: VDR providers should offer features like granular permission setting, watermarking, and edit trials enhance security during fundraising. Additionally, the ability to create personalized data rooms for different investors or due diligence terms can simplify the sharing process. Number two, intellectual property protection. Startups heavy rely on their intellectual property, which includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Protecting these assets is paramount for their long-term success. VDRs can serve as secure responsibility for storing and sharing intellectual property with legal counsel, potential partners, or collaborators.